This will clean up the lab in 60 seconds.
Faster! 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 Stop! It's eating the tree! It's a tinsel storm! I'm a present!
The whole lab is coming down!
This stuff is magnetic glitter. It won't come off. I'm gonna be shiny until New Year's. Lake is calling, Quack. Huh? The path is blocked. Night Wind did this.
I'll save these. Vacuum seal time.
Whoops! Too strong. Not the heirloom blanket.
It's ruined.
We can't sit on wrinkles.
I'll clear the path. You save the blanket.
Wrinkles, prepare to meet your doom. Hurry, hurry, hurry. The sun is perfect.
Petal problem.
Perfect extraction. Ready for its close-up.
Almost clear.
Looking clear. We need something sweet. The gold. Pollen honey jam. Path clear. Now, the jam situation?
Absolutely marvelous. Better than jam.
Food, drinks, perfect blanket. Check.
Camera secured.
All evidence of chaos erased. Thank goodness for the rake. Flawless. Everything looks so fresh. Gourmet! Worth the effort.
He thinks it's an airstrip.
Wrong destination, friend. Bliss. Memories secured. To the perfect picnic.
This will save us hours of work.
Looking good, Hop.
Hater! The sensor is blinded.
Whoa! The floor is like ice. We're losing visibility.
Need to replace these soon. It's going for the power controls.
Neutralizing the permanent bond. Clearing the air.
Robot secured.
Controls are functional.
Shielded for next time.
No more sliding around. The creative storm is complete. Best accidental renovation ever.
Ready for the next glitch.
I like the blue swirl over there. Sensor failure logged. Solvent effective. Exit is clear. Missed a spot. Good work today, Quack. Perfect. This bridge is MIE. It crosses my gourd.
But we built it for everyone.
Doesn't matter. It's mine now.
Oh no! The anchor! I need to tie it.
Save the floor.
Hold on!
Wind barrier.
Block it. Wait! Secured!
Sorry, me for cutting. For protection.
Safety first!
Guard gear. The toll is a compliment. Your bridge looks excellent, officer.
Accepted. Proceed.
And your hat is very stylish. Steady on the lift. Electrical failure.
The sticky resin is leaking!
The water tower is compromised. Water valve seized.
The snow formulas are at risk.
High tension collision imminent!
Rotation stabilized.
Solvent ready to dissolve the sugar resin.
Valve released. Formula safe. Softening the contact points. Decoration secured.
No more electrical glitches.
Structure stable! Sweet rescue!
No more leaks.
Christmas is safe! Close call!
Almost home.
Time for maintenance logs.
Glitch analysis. Warming up.
Safe temperature control.
Ready for the next mess. All logged. Time to rest. Until tomorrow. Ready for the next lift. Neat and tidy. Structure holding. Safe Christmas. Digging for deliciousness. What a treasure. Viper! Danger!
My stick! No!
It wants the whole spot.
Quack, we need a plan.
Cold water shock.
Take that, Rattlebrain.
Take the mud bath.
My best friend is safe. We did it!
I was so scared, but I was more scared of losing you, Quack. Teamwork! My cold water and your strong legs saved the day.
Even the strongest enemy can be beaten by a clever plan. and a friend.
Perfect!
Now we need a new plan. A shiny lure to attract new friends, not vipers.
Best day ever.
With the mini rocket, all the gifts will descend gently by parachute. Are you sure about that last piece, Hop? Perfect launch! Premature detonation. The gifts are everywhere.
Oh no! The snowman!
He's melting and tipping. Save the snowman and the tree.
Insulate.
Makeshift crane. Quack, I'll haul you up. Ready for liftoff. Steady as she goes. Huh? They're iced in. Sun power. One down.
2, 3, 4.
Almost there. All clear.
Coming down.
All accounted for.
Culprit.
He lost his carrot. A new nose.
Ayo! Oh!
No more rockets. High altitude delivery.
This one is yours.
Merry Christmas. All done. The manual way. Good parachute cord, though. Keep the useful tools. Need this back. Nice try, old friend. Let's go warm up our hands. It's magnificent. Time for winter jam. It's heavier than a boulder. Quack. We need leverage, Quack.
It's moving. It's moving.
The pit.
It's ruined.
Our jam will flood it. The power of buoyancy. It's working.
Hooray! Buoyancy wins.
All aboard the gourd ship. Watch the lettuce. We're a great team, Quack.
We made it. It smells earthy.
It tastes like mountain stream, moss, mud, and magic. Let's name it. It tells the story of our rescue. She needs to be the first to try it.
She loves the mossy flavor. When brute force fails, think outside the pit. That's the real lesson.
Perfect water for our carrots.
This spring belongs to the Beaver clan.
We only need a little for our crops.
Only for building materials. We're all in danger.
Stop arguing. We must stabilize it.
They're trying to save us all.
Pull hard. Hup!
I'll use sap to seal the leaks. I apologize for my greed. The water is for all of us.
We can build a valve to share it fairly. It works perfectly. Perfectly.
Even days are yours.
Luxury carrots are coming!
Cooperation saved my home.
See you on the next even day.
The best water in the world. Sharing is always the strongest dam.
This ground is too hard, Quack.
This stone is stuck fast.
The crane! We can lift the stone! Oh no! The seed is gone! We must get it back. It's too rare to lose. I can see it. It's way down there. We did it, Quack. It's safe.
Not a scratch. Our tool worked perfectly.
No more cranes for heavy lifting.
Now we wait.
A competition. You both build miniature models tonight. We vote tomorrow.
The weather changed. The wooden model is melting.
Volley attack.
I need a dryer, fast.
Dehydration protocol. Hold tight. The steel one is tipping. Bait and switch. Got him.
Saved, but fragile.
Saved from the Vole engineer.
Steel is robust and modular.
But the elegance of the arch.
The solution is both.
Fast, modular strength.
Build the arch using the steel.
Harmony restored.
The mediator saved the day.
Our new combined design.
A perfect symbol. Go free, little engineer. The Vole mascot. Maybe we should start a consulting firm. Only if you handle the Vole negotiation.
Tracker, ready to analyze biological data.
Big Bear.
Maximum metabolism mode.
It's moving too fast.
The marking oil. It thinks the town is its territory.
It thinks the store is a honey tree. Need to slow it down.
Legs only.
Direct hit. Stay calm, buddy.
Now for the neutralizer. One shot only.
Metabolism back to normal. Too much energy.
For future tracking.
All clean. Needs a better anti-bear housing.
No more false honey alarms.
Stable vitals. Proof of concept. Secure for nap time.
All quiet on the bear front. Next time, we work near smaller animals.
Time for a rest.
Christmas cake in 10 seconds.
I'll get the plates.
The regulator is stuck.
It's a dough tsunami. I'm stuck to the floor.
It's clogging the air filtration system, not the tree. The gears will be ruined.
It's going to explode. Neutralizing the yeast.
Clearing the airways.
Tree protected.
That was close.
Actually, it smells delicious.
Best carpet I've ever tasted.
No more runaway growth.
Accidental edible floor project successful. Best Christmas ever. Almost there, little ones.
It's too toxic. We need specialized help.
Venomous snake. We need protective barriers and neutralization.
Water and flowers will neutralize the threat.
Fired up to paralyze the predator.
Metal power to protect the little mice.
Heat's working. He's coiling up. Woof. Stunned and neutralized. Now move. Ready for the big lift.
The trail is safe.
Thank you for saving us, Super Pups.
Hup, distracting the snake with food.
Was very smart. When facing a dangerous animal, use specialized powers for control, not confrontation.
Trail fully cleared and safe to use. Every creature, big or small, deserves a safe place to roam.
Super Pups are on a roll.
Ready for the first brew.
That powder looks strong.
Instant coffee vortex.
It's heading for the clear pond. It will solidify and ruin our water source.
Must slow it down.
Cold water. It makes the powder solidify.
Cooled.
Cold.
Taking out the steam. Protect the workers.
Maybe we'll stick to plain beans next time.
This mud is strong, the perfect for pavement.
Simpler is better.
Perfect, Faye. Perfect flow. No coffee today.
Hot chocolate instead. Safer. Never overlook a simple component. Safety first, then speed. To simple engineering.
This part of the forest feels ancient.
Look, a pyramid of leaves.
Here it is. An opening.
Stay close. It's too dark. A shiny mirror. Why is it here?
They're moving faster. We'll be crushed.
It's a light puzzle. We need to control the beam.
Darkness. We need darkness to reset it.
We did it! The darkness stopped them.
Oh, chestnuts. A reward for solving the puzzle. It was a balance of light and shadow. We learned something today. This leaf is perfect for controlling light. We should make a backup lantern.
Next time, we bring the black leaf lantern. Why?
Wait. Heat. Water.
Ice. Wow.
Go, flower! Treasure! Treasure!
A map. Hey, this helps. Flashlight. We should try this path. Yes, that is good. The rug. Absorb. Close call. Hold. Too strong. We smell too clean. done. Into the wash. Fresh air. Accidental cleaning. 2 birds. All set. For next time. Get out, Lavender. Tea time.
Still smell lavender.
The static levels are off the charts. It's charging the fog. Static buildup is massive. We have a massive ignition risk. The weather data is overloading. The bank's records are next.
Vulnerable zones secured, neutralizing the charge.
Charge neutralized. Accidental snow.
Permanent fix implemented.
Early warning system active. Data safe.
Financial records secured. Temporary shielding removed.
Salt supply low.
Need to document the fog composition.
Almost home.
Data entry time.
Any residual charge?
Warming up.
Low residual static. Monitoring ongoing.
Need to restock on ionized salt.
All done. Time to rest.
Safer now.
A perfect harvest.
It's poison. It's ruining everything.
Not even chili works.
We need super pup power.
Pup Alert 30. Giant caterpillar threat.
Pups, transform and launch.
PER is ready to vaporize.
Super pups are on the way.
Digging a defense line. Fanning the toxins away.
Prepare to be vaporized.
I can do this. Mental power.
Scanning for mutation core. The underbelly is soft.
It's just a normal worm now.
Crisis contained, thanks to your perimeter.
Final step, pups. Area decontamination. Thank you, Super Pups. You saved our winter.
A small reward for your amazing help.
The real lesson. Hop and Quack contained the crisis. Big problems need local intelligence first.
Your drainage trench was perfect. Perfect.
Smart thinking, Hop.
Alarm system optimal. Wait, did something move? A shimmer trail. Hail. It was a thief.
The telescope lens is being ruined. They're heading for the compactor. Invisibility neutralized by heat glow. suit deactivated.
Toy secured. Close shave.
It turned out to be a little fox.
Invisibility detection active.
Lens saved. Gift secured for Christmas morning. Light system fully operational. Need to analyze the suit's frequency. Time for counter-frequency logging. Perfect match for the suit's technology. Relaxing. Millisecond precision achieved. Powder residue cleaned.
All logged. Ready for the next glitch.
Neat and tidy. A beautifully glowing town. Safe Christmas. Almost time. It is scientifically too hot.
Smoothie time?
Let's do it with style.
Making way for the machine.
Gravity feed initialized. The hammer is ready.
Tension optimal.
The smoothie symphony is ready. It's rolling. Precision slicing. That's fast. Rogue orange.
Gotcha.
Manual override accepted.
It's snowing inside. Activation.
Hypnotic.
It is done.
Stabilizing RPM. Vortex maximum capacity.
Automated serving.
Aesthetically pleasing.
Cheers.
Too fast, Quack.
Brain. Cold.
Thermal shock. Cleanup phase initiated.
Melon smile.
Disassembly is faster.
Mopping the smoothie snow.
Efficiency restored. Optimization noted. Next time, automatic sandwich maker? Best machine ever. We can make them even better, Quack. A printer for breakfast. Pink for the feathers. Batter line secured. Loading the great duck design.
It's working.
Clogged nozzle.
That's a very scary duck.
Switching to mechanical shapes.
It's inflating.
Thermal regulation stabilized. There's our lab. Sticky disaster. Manual override required.
I'll make it modern art.
Solidifying the masterpieces.
Delicious and beautiful.
Breakfast is served. Best meal of the week. I need a photo.
Tay cheese.
It's stuck. That's a very clingy portrait. Tastes like success.
Cleanup is part of the science.
Colorful bubbles. Sticky, but worth it.
Morning experiment complete.
Tomorrow, waffles? Good morning. What a perfect day for growing.
What is that strange smell?
It's acid rain.
Go away, bad rain! The pump is leaking. Our clean water. Baking soda. We need the limestone. Neutralizer ready. Hold fast. Neutralize. Mud shield up. Protect all the plants. We save the harvest. It's working!
We have the neutralizing agent. Perfectly neutralized. The sweet taste of science. Knowing how to balance nature's forces and knowing what to use when is the key to a safe garden.
Best picnic ever! What was that?
Oh dear, he's hurt. Seems a little too dramatic.
Forest fire! We need to get the basket and stop the fire. Needs more than wind.
Oh,
Just a little dirty.
next time we bring extra carrots.
My smart system.
The banner. It's a water cannon.
The clock.
Need to cut the main line. Water taps disconnected.
Diversion shield now.
Rebound!
Where's it landing? Refilling the reserve. A giant rainbow. Metal-proof circuits. Environmentally friendly and safe.
Undamaged.
Temporary but effective. Incredible pressure spike data.
It's still so pretty.
At least the flower bits got watered. Next year, we enter the rainbow category.
Must save this memory.
Time to go home. One more for the road. What a day!
The show is over.
Until next year's rivalry.
Behold, quack, quack, the automated laundry folder.
Time saved. Perfect uniformity.
Oh no! It's loose!
It's folded into atoms.
Keep it busy, Quack. It's wrapping itself.
Distraction.
Power cut. Power cut.
Cause of the folding craze removed.
Now to unfold this without tearing it. Tiny folds.
Too wrinkled to read. Almost done.
Readability restored. Well, the folding was perfect.
It made a swan.
This rug is now a storage box.
No more folding for you.
The mighty sock.
And we still have the rest of the laundry.
At least we know the manual process works.
A souvenir of the folding crisis.
Fold, fold, fold.
Much more relaxing.
Almost lost the adventure. Done.
This is the biggest pecan ever.
Stop! That pecan belongs to me.
Squeak.
And the pecan. We have to save both.
It's safe. Not a single scratch.
I'm so sorry, friends.
We understand.
It was an accident.
We should share this rare treasure. It's the best I've ever tasted.
But your water bottle is ruined, Hop.
I'll fix it. I'll glue it back.
Some things are too broken to fix, but we can learn from the mistake.
A gourd is much safer anyway.
Oh, that's a good one. The best part of the treasure was sharing it. Our golden carrot is safe and sound.
A golden prize. All mine.
Did you hear that? Something is digging.
Take that, thief!
The carrot. It's getting away.
Save the carrot. We need speed and a trap.
That's Nakadoy.
Our treasure is safe. Good work, Hop!
We learned that even the most well-hidden treasures need active, coordinated defense.
We need an alarm system for diggers. Perfect! Even a soft paw won't sneak past that.
Now we can finally relax.
This way, Quack.
Chirp, chirp.
Oh my! Look, it's us! It's so quiet. What's this?
The light from outside must be brought in. The darkness within must be dispelled.
What's happening?
2 different lights are needed. One from outside, one from within.
We have to hurry. I saw something reflective near the door. Internal light.
The light from outside and the darkness within are now balanced.
Wow. Thank you, Brent. Brave adventurers.
A gift for your courage.
A perfect nightlight. More adventures await. Almost home. The biggest berries ever.
Follow me now. Stop! This rock and these berries are our territory.
We found them first. They're ours.
We can't stop it!
Stop pulling! We have to work together!
What's the plan?
Windbreak! Coming up!
It's slowing down, but not enough. Redirection path set.
We saved it!
Safe and sound.
I'm sorry, Hop. My greed almost ruined everything. It's safe now. We should share it. Half for you, half for us. We learned that sharing is much better than fighting. Strong knots. No more rolling. Goodbye for now, friends. See you next time.
Best berries, best friends.
This tastes better because we earned it together.
Good thing we practice teamwork. When you share, everyone wins, and the reward is sweeter.
Engaging local wind speed amplifier.
The bird jammed the control.
It's stuck in sonic boom mode.
It's going to shatter the town hall windows. The vortex is collecting everything.
Sound absorption matrix.
Volume reduced.
Wind speed neutralized. The vortex is gone.
Reel her in.
Safely recovered. The vortex compressed everything.
No more bird surprises.
Max speed, subsonic only.
Much quieter. The fun is in the flight, not the sonic boom.
All forgiven, little buddy.
Extra thick glass now.
Personal safety is paramount. Just a simple flight. All clear.
Next time, we bring a snack. It's cold, but it feels strange. It's changing color.
What a strange sight! Is it some kind of berry juice? I can't move. The foam is sticky.
She's sinking. We have to neutralize it. The lake is alkaline. It reacted to the cork. We need acid. The lemons. The opposite reaction. Roll them in.
It burns less. Keep going.
You can do it!
Thank you. You saved me.
Take this for your expeditions. I won't hunt near here again.
We have so many lemons now. Giant lemonade for the whole forest. Perfect insulation for the winter. Did the temperature just drop 20 degrees? We can't see the tricky house. I'm grounded. My wings are frozen.
So cold. I can't hold on.
Door. It's blocked.
The little mouse.
We have to help him first. There you go, safe and sound. We need shelter. Quack.
Fast, fast. You can't stay out here.
A snow cave. It will keep the wind out.
It's windproof, but not warm enough. I see pine cones.
Good thing I packed this flint.
Thank you. I was so cold.
Now for that branch. We can't stay here forever.
It's too slick. It just slides away. We're safe. We made it.
Thank you for saving me.
We don't leave anyone behind in a storm, big or small.